Welcome back, my big noise crew.
Welcome back.
Welcome back, my big noise crew.
Welcome back.
Welcome back, my big noise crew.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Welcome back, my big noise crew. So today we'll be making meatless tacos. Here you will have your quinoa inside water. You're going to cook it the way you would cook it any other way. I have in my saucepan already rinsed quinoa and water added to it, and it's just boiling. This is the brand that I personally use. I am a Nature Promise girl, but you're just gonna let it boil. Just boil it down, let it just boil, and cook it the usual way. You know it's done when you see the seeds have this little white beads around it. So you see the total difference now of the seeds. It's now has these little peels. So you're gonna add your season to it, your taco season. Rather you're making your own season or you're using a pack. With this one, I did use a season pack, and I'll show you guys that as well. So you're just gonna add that season pack to your quinoa, your well-cooked quinoa, and then you want to add some more water to it and stir it up. So you're just gonna just like you would make your usual taco meat. So then you're just gonna add that to it and just stir it up and let her boil some more. Just let it boil down, and just keep stirring and until it boils down. This stuff is amazing, guys. You will not miss the meat at all, I'm telling you. But yeah, so I use Nature Promise taco season, and I actually added more season to mine because it just didn't have enough season to cover it all. You want it to cover all your quinoa. So this is the season pack that I use. I get it from Food Lion, and it's really good to me and my family, and it's more natural than the other ones that I have used, just looking at the ingredients. But yeah, so this is the one I use. So you're just gonna let it boil down some more, boil to the point that you no longer have water in it. So now look, boom, it looks like meat now, guys, right? So it's all boiled down, no more water. And you're gonna go grab your shells. I personally use the lime shells, okay, guys? I absolutely love the hint of lime shells. And you're going to just hook it up just like you make any other taco. So right here, I'm just adding the meat into my lime shells. Me and my daughter actually have 5 each, guys. It makes a lot of them, okay? And then I don't eat lettuce, so I use this brand, the Spring Mix. Instead of lettuce, I replace mine with lettuce, and then I use my guacamole. So I just basically dress it up just like any other taco. I'm telling you, you won't miss the meat at all. My vegan cheddar cheese is so good, and you won't feel sluggish, guys. I actually got this from another YouTuber. She actually bakes her meat. I chose to do it this way. I will put her name in the description and her link. Thank you for watching. Make sure you comment, subscribe, and thumbs it up. Thank you, guys. Have a great one.